When you're getting ready to move, keeping track of important documents can easily get overlooked. But organizing your paperwork before the big day can save you a lot of stress later. Here's how to do it the right way. Start by gathering everything in one place. That includes personal records like birth certificates, passports, social security cards, financial documents, home and insurance papers, and medical records. It's best to go through them early so you can sort, update, or replace anything that's missing. Next, create categories. You can group documents by type, like personal, financial, medical, or moving related, and store them in labeled folders or envelopes. Clear labels make it easier to find what you need quickly. Make digital backups too. Scan or take clear photos of all your important papers and store them securely online or on an external drive. That way, you'll always have a copy in case something gets lost or damaged. When moving day comes, don't pack these documents with the rest of your belongings. Keep them in a separate folder or small box that stays with you during the move. This ensures your most valuable information is safe and easily accessible. A little preparation now can prevent a lot of headaches later, and it'll make settling into your new home much easier. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.